So here we have the Audi TT Sport 2-litre TFSI on a 60 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. But as you'll see from the outside, it's got alloy wheels and 2 doors. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got those twin exhaust pipes and reversing sensors, and a really decent amount of boot space actually in this car. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through those controls. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in fantastic. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You have half leather interior, as you can see. Carpets and seats are in fantastic condition. There's plenty to run from the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. You can see in the middle at the top we've got the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges. Underneath that we have a trip computer, and over to the right hand side within the speedometer you can see the total miles on this car, which are 36,213. If we back out to the steering wheel, we've got the indicators on the left hand side and a parrot kit fitted, so for hands-free phone use. And then over into the centre we've got the main stereo system for the car. So firstly, it's got FM and AM radio, and then you can save your various presets and access them with a push of the button just there. We have a CD player, as you can see, but the CD player button also accesses the auxiliary input. So there's auxiliary input and CD player in this car, so a couple of ways to listen to music beyond the radio. Beneath that we've got the air conditioning. So you can set the temperature with this dial, hot all the way around here and then cold. Fan speed is adjusted there, and then the direction of the air with these buttons just here. We then have a rear screen heater. That button there will divert the car's air conditioning to the front screen, and as you can hear it will turn it up to full, and you can turn that back off again. Rear screen heater will go off once the screen is fully heated. Down the bottom here, your air conditioning is on when that light is on, so you can turn that off should you wish to. That will recirculate the air that's in the car currently, so that's a good way of heating it up quickly or cooling it down depending on the time of year. Or if you hit auto, the climate control will kick in and the car will maintain that temperature, as you can hear, by adjusting the fan speed itself, and then you can just override that by readjusting the fan speed. We then have a cigarette lighter or 12-volt charging socket underneath there. A 6-speed manual gearbox. Directly beneath that we can turn off the traction control should we wish to. We've got the hazard warning lights, and that button there will open and close the spoiler on the back of the car. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call at Henlow Car Sales. We'd love to hear from you soon.